Welcome to an instructional how-to video brought to you by ClearConnex on how to update the firmware and load an application on the Sierra Wireless WMP 100. The tool we're going to use is ClearTerminal, brought to you by ClearConnex, an innovative engineering services firm that combines products, services, and strategic partnership to build custom and embedded end-to-end devices, which allows you to start ahead and finish ahead on any project. Today I'm going to be updating the firmware using AT commands on the application ClearTerminal over a serial connection. The firmware for the WMP100 is available from the Sierra Wireless website. I'm going to start by creating some hotkeys that will be useful for this process and in general when working with Sierra Wireless products. The first is AT plus WOpen equals 0, which will stop the running application. The next is AT plus WDWL, which will start the transfer. Next is AT plus CFun equals 1, which will reset the modem. Last is AT plus WOpen equals 1, which will restart the application. Now that ClearTerminal is set up, let's check the current firmware version using ATi3. That is an older version of the firmware than I would like, so I'm going to update to a newer version. To do so, I'm going to stop the running application and start the download process. Now choose the bootloader from the firmware you want for the file system and wait for the download to complete. I will fast forward to the download process. Once the download is finished, I will reset the modem. Now I'll start the download process for the firmware. I will fast forward through the download process. Again, once the download completes, I will reset the modem. Now that it's back up, I now check the firmware version using ATi3 again, and see the upgrade process was successful. Now I'm going to show you how to load an OpenAT application onto the WMP100. I'm going to demonstrate that process using ClearComm, developed by ClearConnex, a mature, proven hardware-agnostic platform that can be loaded onto any off-the-shelf modem or added to a custom-designed hardware, which can result in cost and time saving. This process is very similar to upgrading the firmware. I'll be making sure the application is not running and then starting the download process. And then I'll choose my application image from the file system and wait for the download to complete. Again, I will fast forward to the download process. When the download finishes, I will reset the module, wait for it to reboot, and then start the application. Now I will check the application version and see that the download was successful. This concludes our instructional video for ClearTerminal and ClearComm. Please visit us at www.clearconnex.com to stay current on all things ClearConnex.